Hey guys! My name is Taylor Coste. Welcome to my channel if you're new here, and if you're not new, then welcome back. You already know what it means when I'm sat in my bathroom in like a really gross bleach stained shirt. I'm going to be doing my roots today because I really need to do my roots, like they're pretty grown out. And I'm also gonna be, I think, putting some pink in the ends of my hair. I've kind of been dropping hints for a while that I might be considering doing the pink hair. It's been a long time since I've had pink in my hair. So with that said, I think I'm just gonna get started and start prepping my bleach. And then I'm gonna slap it all over my head. So I'm gonna grab my 20 6% cream peroxide. I don't like using cream peroxide, I like liquid peroxide. But for whatever reason, when I last went to Sally Salon Services, like this is all they had. So I'm stuck using this. It just means that you get like a thicker mixture. Oh, look how thick it is. It's so gloopy. We don't measure on this channel. I should, but I don't. So I'm just really lazy. I just like to do it by eye. I always have to make multiple batches anyway. And then I've got some blue powder bleach, which is supposed to be dust free, but I really don't think it is. Okay, I've got my bleach. For some reason my gloves just don't want to stay on today. I don't know what it is. Really frustrating me. They just keep sliding up. They just keep doing this, and I end up like this, and I don't know why. I've never had this before. Why are my gloves slippy? One thing that I've learned in my wisdom, just in my years of doing hair, is that it's so much easier if you're doing your own hair to section this way rather than sectioning from bits like this and going down. It's so much easier to take from the front and then just work your way around your head. It's so much better. I don't think I've filmed since I started doing that with my own hair, but if you do your own hair and you don't do it that way, just take it from me, it's so much easier, especially if you have long hair. Okay, so now that my head is covered in dye, I'm gonna go let this sit and then I'll wash it out and check back in. Hey, so I'm back looking like a cross between the girl from The Ring and Draco Malfoy. It's not a look I'm going for. So my roots came out fine, they're pretty light, and then I just put a little bit of purple shampoo in my hair. It always tends to go really silvery here and less so where it's just been bleached. So that's fine, and this section of my hair came out great, and obviously my roots just need time. So I have a teeny tiny bit this much left of the Adore 150 Platinum, which is the dark silvery grey that I normally put in my roots. So I think I'm gonna put that all over this blonde section, and then for the ends, I'm trying to figure out how far down I want it to start. I think at the chin would be good. Yeah, so I think all this, I'm gonna try and make like a really pastel pink. So I have Adore Fruit Punch, Adore's Pink Rose, and whatever this Pot of Directions pink is, but like there's no label on it. And I'm going to dilute one of these with just some white conditioner and mix it and then put it in my hair. And I think I'm going to make it maybe slightly darker on the ends. I don't really know which. I don't think I'm going to use the Fruit Punch. I think it's a bit like peach toned and I want like a nice cool tone pink. I think I'm going to go with the Pink Rose. Great thing about this is it's pastel, so like if I do it too light, then I mean I can just do it again, and if I do it too dark, it'll wash out. It's like, it's no big deal. So I'm gonna start with the pink because that's the bit I like care most about. Like I care less about the silvery roots. The other great thing is because I'm not like doing anything with like this section of hair, it means I don't have to put like Vaseline on to protect my face, which is great because I hate my face being like sticky with like greasy Vaseline. Okay, I have a mixing bowl and I don't have a lot of this left. So I will just wing it until like I don't have any left. Okay, I don't want to do too much at once because I don't know how it's going to turn out. So I'm just doing like a test to start out with. Because like I don't want it to be too dark. See, this is coming out like pretty dark, but at the same time, I don't know if it's going to deposit 100% of that colour. But I do want it really pale, I think. My hair's still a little bit damp as well, which will mean that the colour probably won't take as well, which I'm doing pastel hair, so I kind of don't mind. That's why I didn't like blow dry it, not just because I'm lazy. Let's see how well this works. Now that it's on my hair, I think because like I've got like grey undertones in my hair, it's making it like a slightly dusty sort of pink. The only thing I don't want is like a hot pink. Okay, so like this is how the colour's turning out, and just to be safe I might like add more conditioner the further up we get. I don't know if you guys can see like what I'm doing. I mean, I can see it in the mirror, the difference in the colour, but it's so light that like I don't know if it's even going to pick up on camera. Okay, so now that that's done, I have to put Silvercrap in the top.
So this is how my hair turned out, and I actually really like it. This is actually about 2 days after I dyed it and I'd washed it another time, so it's a little bit more faded out than it would have been, but I promise you the pink is there. It's just kind of hard to see in this light, I guess, but it is pink at the end, despite what you might think from this footage. So yeah, I don't know if you can see there, but it is pink. I promise you, it is actually pink. This is a little bit of a better contrast against a white background, so you can see it is actually pink. It is kind of a dark pink, but I guess just in this natural lighting it's just a little bit hard to see. But yeah, I really like it. I really like the really slow like ombre, like the fade. I think this is like probably the best or smoothest transition I've ever had with a hair ombre. Like, it's just so smooth and seamless. There's like no demarcation line. It's just so smooth and I love it. I love the transition from silver to pink. I really like it. I think it's just a really nice, fun colour to have. I think it looks really nice. It's really subtle. It's kind of cute. It's a little bit anime looking, which we all know I kind of like. I think that the silver tones being sort of purple as well really helped with like the transition. I know that my roots are a little bit more grey blonde at the moment, but I still really like how this hair turned out, and I'm not really planning to change it straight away. I quite like this. I think I'm gonna enjoy having this for a little while. I'm really happy with how the pink came out. I'm so glad it came out like a really pale pastel sort of candy floss colour. I'm so happy that it didn't turn dark, it didn't turn hot pink, and even though like the grey in my hair makes it a little bit of a dusty pink, I still like that. It's still pale, it's still pastel, so I'm still really happy with it, and I hope you guys really like this hair too. I don't know how well you're going to be able to see it because, as I say, it's so pale on camera that it just kind of barely looks pink at all, but I promise you, you can see it is pink, I promise. So yeah, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you like my new hair, and yeah, that's it. Bye!